Hi guys, again we are here. So today we are going to discuss about code first approach second part, that is edit and delete operation. And if I make any changes to my particular model, so how it's going to reflect it, that also we are going to see in this recording session. Okay, so it's very important. So please practice it. Okay, and please see like whatever we are doing it here. So in our previous session, we have done like two things: insert and update and delete operation, right? So we have seen this is Neha, Javed, and hockey information. So these three things we have seen it, right? So today we will see like for how to implement edit and delete operation. So for edit and delete, I will add edit and link buttons here. So to add that one, I need to go to the index page, and here what I will do is I will copy this and I will paste here, and I will add here action. Now after this, what we'll do is we'll copy here and we'll paste here. We'll try to create one action link button at the rate HTML. It's an HTML helper. Okay. So in our MVC, it is an HTML helper. Same thing, we can use it in our MVC core also. Okay. So this action link, you can take it. This action link, you will find here like the first parameter as a text. So the text which you are going to take it as edit. The second is you are going to take it as action name. So what is the action name which you are going to take it? Action name you want to write as edit only, and comma, the raw values you are going to specify it. So the raw values you are going to say like new, open flower bracket and close flower bracket. Here you are going to say like id is equal to at the rate item dot empid. Okay, that's what you're going to say it. Even you doesn't require at the rate here because you are specifying at the beginning right here. So that's enough. So this is my edit link button. Now similar to it, I want to create for delete also. So if I want to create for delete, I just need to copy paste there. I will say this, my link button name should be delete. My action method, when I click on delete button, it should go to the delete action method. Okay. So there also I will catch ID, and based on that ID, I will delete the record. Okay. So this is two things are done. Now let's go and go to the controller. Now what we'll do is we will copy from here to here and we will paste here the code. Okay. Now here we will change this create to edit. Okay. Now here you take like int question mark ID, because based on ID, you're going to find the record. So employee model, you're going to take it emp equal to db dot, you'll have employee model table. So this is a table you have it. Okay. So this table will have all the records. I just want to find one record. So based on ID, I will find it. Okay. So based on ID, I'm finding one record and I'm assigning to the employee variable. Okay. Now after assigning to the emp variable that employee, what I will do is I will send this employee to the view page. Reason is I want to show the details before updating it. Okay. So before updating, I want to show the details. So that's the reason I am sending this information emp to my edit view page. So here you are just going to create one edit view page. Okay. Just say like add view, and you just say like add. Okay. Even I can take predefined template, but I don't want to go with that. I want to go with a scratch onwards, everything by writing the code. So I'm just putting all the stuff. So I don't require all these things. So I just required this. And obviously I don't want to go to the create. So I will change this one to the edit. And here, instead of placeholder, I will say like this is a value. Okay. And this is also a value. And here value, from where I will get it, I will tell you from where I will get the value. Okay, so obviously I'm sending through view model that value, right? So in which variable I will catch that value? In the model variable, right? That too small m. And here code first approach dot models dot employee model. Okay, so it's mean that when the user send this view emp, so emp value will be catched by the model variable. So this model variable value I can initialize to the value variable. So you just say here at the rate model dot emp name at the rate model dot emp salary, like this. Okay, now yeah, we are going to change this one to name as update. Okay, this is what you need to do it. That is done. Now we'll go for like go to the controller. Now we'll go and change this one to edit. And here, yeah, obviously we'll catch ID, name, and salary. But wait, how I can catch ID if I don't have in a form method that ID? So if you click on submit button based on name property, name and salary will go, but from where I will get ID there? So for ID purpose, not to worry, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste. And I don't want to show the ID. Okay, I don't want to show the ID on the screen, that to show. So this is when I will change this ID. So that's why I will choose this text to hidden field. So this is hidden field I'm making it. Okay, now when I made this hidden field, no one can see it. So now let's go to our controller. Now here we will change. So what I need to do it, I just need to change only one line here, guys. That is db dot, for update purpose we have one method called as entry method. Entry method asks you to specify the model. So whatever this model is there, it need to have ID, name, and salary. So based on ID, it is going to update your name and salary. ID, why specifically ID? Because it's the primary key. That's the reason. So for updating purpose, we just need to say like state equal to entity, or you say that entity state dot modify. So when you say like entity state dot modify, it will update the record based on ID into the context for this particular table. Okay, only this line you need to do it, and that's it. And the rest of the line I have explained you like in our previous session also, right? So just I will say like control dot, I will add this namespace above. That's it. So db dot entry method will ask you the entity, you just specify it. So what based on this entity, the state, it say like modify, so it will update the changes to the context of that particular table. And then it will call like save changes method, it will execute the query. So you can see that this is just generating update query for us. This is executing the query for us. And then we'll redirect it to the index page. Okay. Now let's go and see the things here. So let's go to our edit page. Now go for this. Obviously, I will go for index, my choice, because based on ID only, you are going to go to the edit method. Okay. So based on that, you're going to update the record. So let's close all these things. Now let's see like what the result we are going to get it here. So click on edit. So we will change Neha to Usha. So or Neha to Neha Dupya. Okay. Even if you want to change the salary to 79, you can do it. Click on update. So Neha Dhupia and 7900. See, it's very simple, right? So even if you click on edit, you will get like a Javed, right? Yep. I didn't create a back button. Let's see like later. Okay. So this done, right? So now let's go for a delete operation. So one thing you did already, delete operation code you already done. You just need to copy this and you just need to go for delete operation. So delete, you're going to do it. Okay. So right click here, go for add view, go for add. Now here you are going to say like at the rate, same thing. Again, just copy and paste it, no problem. Same thing, we are going to do it here too. And here I will say that, are you sure you want to delete the record? So by this, you are understanding that how in our database first approach code which is generating. So what code is generating for us? Same code is generating for us. Okay, what I'm writing now. Delete. Okay. Now after this, at the rate model dot amp name and model dot employee salary, you can add it. Okay. Now after that, form tag, in that form tag, action and method post. Action name till slash, you want to go for employee controller slash, you just want to go for delete method. And you just don't want to go a delete method like that. Even you just want to take ID with it. So based on this ID, you want to like delete the record. So just say here input type submit. So when you click on submit button, so value is delete and classes btn danger. So when you click on delete button, it will go to the employee controller delete action method and to the ID. That ID is going to catch it. So now just go to the controller and we need to copy all this HTTP post again. Okay. Now I'm just going to paste here like this. Okay. So here I will have delete and here end question mark ID, we are going to take it. Okay. Now if you see this, here also delete, there also delete. Here also ID, here also ID. It's throwing an error for us, right? Because two method name with same parameter cannot happen. So what I will do is I will change the name as confirmed, but not in my view page. But even what I will say like this is like action name for this is nothing but delete. So when I click on submit button for delete action method, so it will see that the action name for this is delete. So it will come here and what it does it First of all, see, if you see this db dot table, we have a table, right? Employee model table. So how we have add method, we even have a remove method. So in remove method, what is asking is to specify the entity which you want to remove it, not ID. So this line can help me. So you paste here. Okay. Now here you're going to catch EMP. Okay. So this EMP you can pass here. And based on this EMP, you can remove that employee record. Okay. So first of all, based on ID, you're finding the record. That record, you're removing it. And again, you're saving the changes. And then you're returning to the index page. Okay. That's what you're doing it. Now let's see that whether the delete operation is happening or not for us. I hope you're understanding it. If you're not understanding, guys, just practice it once and to whatever the code is here. Just try to practice it. Keep a breakpoint. You will get it. Definitely you will get it. Okay. No problem with that. So now there is no shortcut here. Everything you need to do it. You need to write the code to understand it. So let's wait for a while, like until we get like index page. Now, if you see here, guys, we got like all the details here. Now let me go for deleting the record. So I just want to delete like hockey. I just click on delete button. So it will redirect me to the delete page. Let's see that whether it's going to redirect me or not. See, it's taken me there, delete third record. So this is ID for it. Now, when I click on delete button, so are you sure you want to delete? Yes, go for delete and it will delete and it will come back to the previous page. So this is how it's going to delete the record, guys. So I hope you have understood this edit operation and delete operation. Nothing is there in that. Very simple, just taking two methods, passing the ID and catching in here, finding the record and sending and displaying the information. Same here, finding the ID, getting employee information, providing to predefined remove method that record, and you're deleting the things. Then you're saving, executing the query, and you're coming to the index view page to see it. So this is how we are going to do it, guys. It's very, very simple. Okay. Not to worry about it. Okay. So please subscribe and like this channel so that I can like explain more and more like .NET related stuff, Angular related stuff, and React related stuff. Okay. So thank you, guys. We'll meet again in next video. So my next video will be code first migration, how to implement code first migration, what are the commands are there, if I want to change any property, if I want to update anything, how I am going to do it. So all these things in the next video I'm going to explain it. Okay. So thank you. We'll meet again next time. Okay. Thank you.